Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. Today I will show you how, what you can buy for Christmas this year to make somebody happy, and it's all on the budget. It's all under $20. It's all under $10 actually, when I think about it. So let's get started. The best store for Christmas gifts, I believe, is so far Five Below. Let me tell you why. Because you're not gonna spend more than maybe $10 in there. Okay, so last time I went to the Five Below and I got this cute headphones. As you can see, they are big, but I like them because they were only $5 first of all, and they are connecting to your phone via Bluetooth, so you don't need a cable. So when you go to the park, you can just like wear them, and they are super cute, and they were just only $5. So now I'm doing with my friends a secret Santa, okay? And I'm thinking what to get a person, right? A boy or a girl. And I went back there and I was thinking headphones is good for everybody. You can buy them in pink. I got them in once I got them in pink, and I got them in baby blue. I'm gonna show you the baby blue ones. I think they are adorable. Look at these. They're like this, and like I say, they're so cute. I don't know if you can extend them actually. I think they are the smaller size. Yeah, they are the smaller ones, so you have to check if they're bigger or smaller. So yeah, oh yeah, you can extend them, you see, the way you want. I love them. I got more than I think I got 4, and I got the pink ones for me as well. I got the pink ones because these are foldable. Actually, I didn't open these ones yet, but they are going with Bluetooth. They are very comfortable and they are foldable. If you don't like the big ones, you can as well buy, like, you know, the Apple headphones that are tiny. They have them over there too for just $5. So I would definitely go there because they were almost sold out. There like 10 were left where I live. So I think this is a good present for a girl or a boy, a person that goes to school, even a person that likes to work out, because the people, they work out a lot. If you think about this, they love music, right? Like workout music and stuff. So they have them in all the colors. So make sure before you buy a present, make sure that the person that you buy the present for is gonna actually enjoy and use it. Don't buy something that you like but the person doesn't like. I used to make this mistake all the time in my past. I would always buy a friend something that I would like to get, but I wouldn't think, okay, are they actually gonna use it? Because I went to the gym, I bought them something for the gym, but I didn't think, oh, is this person even going to the gym? So make sure this person is going to the gym or something, okay? So next gift is, it was actually $3.25, and it looks so beautiful, guys. This is like a pen set where like you can, these are like the ink. This is the ink, and it goes in the pen, and you can do a really nice calligraphy writings. And I think this is super cute for somebody that goes to school or has an office, and or like a nice pen for like a person that is a lot in the office writing down stuff, or even like somebody that goes to school. I got this actually for myself because I love it, and I'm sure everybody who likes or who has to write down a lot of things will love it too. So it goes like this. Look how cute it is. And then you put the ink in here. You open this up and you put the ink inside. I think this is so cute and adorable. It's gonna look so amazing on your desk in gold and in pink. Look how cute. You have even like 2 for $3. This is actually really worth it. and I think it's an adorable present. Another present that I would recommend for somebody to, for example, you know, someone that actually likes a lot of makeup, and I know you know that they have a lot of makeup, but let me tell you, when you do makeup, you can never have enough brushes, and I saw a lot of brushes in the $5 five below, right? And I got this one, Revolution. That's a face palette. That's a face palette. Okay, these are the colors, and this is not from Five Below. This is actually from Ulta, and I like this a lot because this is something that a person would definitely use for their face. You can even add like a mascara or eyelashes to it. Or I saw in the Five Below eyelashes, they were $5, so lower than $5, like fake lashes. Or they had makeup, or they had like perfume over there for $5. I know they have nails, like fake nails. Look, when you know somebody that likes a lot of makeup, they definitely like brushes. They like facial mask. You can buy it for $5 in Five Below, or even in Ulta or Sephora. I'm sure they have, or Walmart. Even Walmart has face masks for $5. This is always, you can make a cute little basket and put like makeup, like $5 makeup or $5 mascara with like $2 lashes in it, and this person will be happy with it. Believe me, I used to do a lot of makeup. I know that these things you go through these things fast, and you always want to try out new makeup, new facial masks and stuff and like this. So definitely try it out. Or you can make like a cute little basket, like I remember last year I made like for a friend. I took a basket and I put 10 things that I bought in the dollar store, like bath bombs and things like this, and shampoo and stuff. I put it all in a little basket, and I from the dollar store, and this person actually liked it. And then I put a picture together with us. So it can be all done for $10. You have just to be creative, okay? If you want me to create such a basket, please comment down below. I will do another video about this. What else did I get? I got this color changing light bulb. I think this is pretty cool. It was, I think, $3 or $5. It's like a light bulb. Hold on, I will show you. It's like a light bulb that you can just like plug it in. You can just plug it in. It's actually pretty small, but you can just plug it in there, and you just change the lights by this remote, and it's super cool. And I think this is a simple present, but this is actually pretty cool because I see a lot of teenagers actually nowadays have a lot of LED lights, and they are in love with it. So this is something you could do. I would love a present like this, by the way, if somebody would give me a present like this. So another present that I pick up, a gift for Christmas, are these wireless phone shower speakers. So you can attach them to the shower while you're like in the shower. You attach them to your shower, and they can get wet. Yes, they can get wet. They are waterproof, and you could just connect them by your Bluetooth, and you just listen music, or you enter your phone calls with it, because there's a speaker in here. I think it's a pretty cool present. For $5, they had different colors. I got the black one because I don't know, Secret Santa, you know, I don't want to get a flower one and then I pick a guy. So yeah, I have like 3 other ideas for you guys, so stay with me. You see this t-shirt, and there's an E, my name, Eva. I made it myself. I got this shirt. I think I got this from the dollar store. Yeah, I did. And I'm this one just like to try try and error if it works. So I got these this how you say patch. I got this patch in Hobby Lobby, I believe. Yeah, Hobby Lobby. I think this patch was just $2. So, and then I got an iron. I don't know if you had an iron, and then I just iron it on it, and look how cute is this. And this, all this was $3, and I made some for my friends. But that t-shirt I bought in Marshall's because I didn't find any good t-shirt like in the dollar store. But if you find something good for like a good price on clearance, like a white shirt or black shirt or pink, and then you can just write your name on it or just initials from your friend or mom or whatever you want to write down. Buy some cute patches cheap in Hobby Lobby, just ironing it on it, and that's it. This is such a cute idea, I believe. I love it. I'm wearing it myself. I made it myself. I wish somebody would make it for me, but hey, right? You can't get everything. If you know that somebody struggles with money or paying stuff for school, or then just give simple money. I know even if it's $10, this person will understand your situation. You know, we have to set limits. We can't just give everybody like we can give everybody something for $50, $25, because, for example, me, I have a big family, I have a lot of friends, I'm doing Secret Santa with some, and I don't want to leave anybody out. So I want to buy something, like a little something for each of them, but not regret that later I spent too much and I'm gonna be in debt because I bought all these presents. So just be realistic, and if you know that somebody is needs a lot of money, or needs to reach a goal or pay the apartment, just give them $10 or like a gift card for $10. That's fine, no big deal, you know, everybody understands. So I have 2 other gift ideas and then I'm done. I promise. So I made this present for my neighbor, and I got this this cup. I think this was $1, I believe. This cup for $1, and then I have the Cricut machine, so I put her name on it, and I think it's pretty cute. And I want to fill it up with like candy, and then wrap it around, and I think it's a cute present. And you can do the same with the mug. I got this mug for my metal mug. I got it in Costco. I think I got 6 mugs for like $20 or something over there. It was a special price. Sorry, I was drinking from it. And it keeps the coffee for like 6 hours. 6 hours warm. I think everybody knows this mug. My mom didn't have any, and I got it last year for Christmas for her. And she was like, a mug, like I have so many mugs, right? Or like I have so many tumblers. Sorry, it's not a mug, it's a tumbler. So I have so many tumblers, and she didn't have actually a tumbler. So now she's using it like crazy because she can't live without it. This thing keeps her coffee like half of the day warm, and it's such a good investment, guys. So you can get these or similar ones in Walmart or like in the $5 below store for like $5 or even less, or maybe like $7. I want to thank you so much for watching, guys. If you enjoyed this video, please comment down below if you want to see more videos like this or different ones. Maybe you have better ideas for me. Please comment and share this video, or like subscribe to my channel. Kisses. Thank you so much. Bye.